Today I'm working on replacing the rear brake pads on a C63 AMG with carbon ceramic. That's the brake pads that I got from the dealer. They're about, with taxes and everything, $300. So I already noticed that the pad is really low. So before I get any lights coming up, I'm gonna do the replacement. Okay, now that you have the wheels removed, you're gonna see that's the sensor right there. This is the electronic park control that you're gonna have to remove through the cabin. It's not actually remove, disengage. That's easy to do. You disengage that and it's gonna separate the brakes from the disc, and then you can proceed to do the pad replacement. There are 2 bolts, one here and one here. You remove these 2 bolts, remove the connector to the sensor, but only after you have done the procedure from the driver's side, where you actually disengage the actuator for the parking brake. Because right now the car is pressing, the pads are pressing against the disc, so you need to do that first. There's still some brake pad left, but it's really low. So I'm going ahead and just compare to the stock ones, to originals. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change them. See, caliper is removed. Now we have to press the piston, replace the sensor, and then this is the passenger side. I haven't done the other side yet, but if this is the same as any other vehicle, it will be just on that side right here. Sensors, only one sensor on this side. Okay, the new pads are installed. Look at the thickness, huge difference. Everything is installed. Double check everything. Sensors, connectors. These get loose. The clip could break if you're not careful. So, good idea to keep an eye on this. All the lines, everything's connected. So now it's time to go to the other side. So this is the end of the video. Probably put a new video with how to remove the parking brake from the inside on the cabin, and how to once you finish doing the job, just install everything back in. Thank you. Hope you like it.